Are you stuck in that in-between phase, not unhappy, but feeling like your current home just isn't fitting your needs anymore? Well, maybe the kitchen is too small for family dinners, and the yard feels unmanageable, or you're craving a quieter space to grow into. Nothing's wrong with your home, it's just that your life has changed. You don't need to wait for that perfect market moment. What you need is the right strategy and fresh data to guide your next move. I help homeowners like you transition to homes that make sense for their energy, goals, and their growing lifestyle. So whether that means downsizing or upsizing, it's not about the square footage. It's about finding a home that feels right. So let's talk about the new chapter, not a contract. DM me now and I'll bring you the latest comps and a custom plan to help you feel confident in your next move. I'm Sheila Howell with Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.